left those ballerinas in place that were already in there, so we'll just set that aside. Lift these guys up. And I'm pretty sure I need to thread this up through my rubber grommet holder. Know where those are going. Kind of have to wiggle it around a little bit. There's two grooves and that'll grab that plastic. Let's make sure my wires are seated where they were. And it's telling me I need a little more slack. Boom, boom. Alright, now I'll go ahead and pull that slack back up. Lift that tube out and over. Let's see that. Oh, my little rubber connection came out. That's set in there again. There we go. Okay, breather tube goes back on that connection there. And our two little guys get threaded back and around that wheel. Sometimes you hear those click. If not, way. Okay, looking good now. We've got that little insulated connector here. It goes back and caps all these wired connections. Make sure it doesn't get this wire that connects to your servo that lifts your flaps. Get that nice and tidy like we did before, and it'll snap right in place.